Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix everything being big on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin. So, if you have just picked up your phone from somebody else or from the store or whatever, you probably can see, or cannot, it depends if you have this issue or not, that everything is stupidly big, like it's enormous. And there are actually a couple of ways we can do to change that, and all of these ways can contribute to this new display and UI being bigger or smaller. But let's simply head into display for now. There is one simple setting that is usually enabled for senior and older people, and it's called Easy Mode. It can be found right here, right under Screen Timeout, and as you can see, it makes text on screen and items appear larger, and blah blah blah. Also, basically, if you enable it, technically everything should be more visible, more easy on the eyes, basically look like this. But you will notice that actually enabling and disabling it doesn't change anything. Actually, if it's disabled, the text is even bigger, so how can we change that? Well, luckily for us, we can still go back. We can scroll down, and here we have two settings. First, we have font size and style, and then we have screen zoom. So, we can head into font size and style, and you will notice that we have increased font. By the way, it would be even bigger if I would have it bold. So let's unbold our text and let's lower it down. Now if you would go back, everything's looking pretty okay. And also we also can head into screen zoom, and you will notice that screen zoom is actually pretty low, and by default it's something like this. However, if you have something like this as your screen zoom, you will also notice that it's now big again, which we don't want to, of course. So let's head back to it and let's lower it down. And now technically we should see our typical Samsung display. Now there is a way for you to change even more, but that requires you to head into developer settings. So let's do that. Let's enter our settings and let's scroll all the way down. Now, if you do not have developer options here, this means that you do not have developer mode. So let's enable that. We can do that by heading to About Phone. And if I remember correctly, we now had to go to Software Information and simply go into Build Number. And we can click it a couple of times, but as you can see, I don't have to, since my developer mode is already enabled. Anyway, we want to head into these developer options, and we can scroll down a little. And right under input section, which is right here, we have drawing, and inside drawing we have something called minimum width. Now this is a value that actually controls the size of our screen. So if we would go here and bump up this value to, for example, 500, you will notice that everything will become smaller, just like that. Now I think that's pretty small. And I would also advise you to be careful of changing that, because for example, if I would go and change to 800, you will notice that now everything is stupidly small, like really small, like enormously small. And if you would go and increase that value too much, then you would have pretty big trouble actually navigating into that setting, clicking that minimum width and then changing it back. So if you wouldn't do that, then I guess only hard reset would be the choice of fixing that. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, just be careful when playing around with that setting. I will go and set it back to 360. And that's more like it. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.